I'm wild tight on geek, yo.
Hey, Ma, tell him to turn that noise off.
This shit is not for the week. Lord, I go spend for a week. I'm blood. I seen them higher than me. Repeat. I rap, but I handle my business on wah. No, you can't hide me shit. Wah. Couple niggas die right this shit. Kill.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another motherfucking video. Today's video is a food review. Right quick, while I'm at this mall, I had bought some Raising Cane's. I don't know if y'all ever seen them on Instagram, TikTok, and shit like that. Yeah. But I had got what they call it? The three finger combo. That's what it is. You folks in the way, but that's not it said. Okay, cool. Why the fuck did I charge me 42 cents for this fucking what is it, honey mustard? And then they put it in this fucking container. Okay, cool, whatever. Then I had got a lemonade with light ice. I'm finna see this come out, cause you know, not everybody lemonade really be come out for real. The line done got long. It say freshly squeezed. This don't get freshly squeezed though. It give, what it give? It gives some goddamn powder with some water. Alright, so this sauce they got candy sauce or whatever the fuck they call it. And I got some honey mustard because I like honey mustard. These fries look so naked. Hold on. My fries look so naked. They only gave me like 2 of them. That's my food. Alright, first of all, the fries don't even look like they got no goddamn salt on them. You know I ain't got no salt on them. Lemonade good though. Alright, let me see. It tastes great. They definitely ain't put no salt on it though. Nah. Let me try this honey mustard now. It's great. Not for 42 cents though. But alright, this they Canaan sauce or whatever. That's good. That's really good. Thank you for taking my food. No. The Canaan sauce is good. I like that. It get it. I like it. Alright, let me try these tenders now. Look at these tenders. They look pretty good though. It's great. I like it. It's not dry. It's juicy. Let me try with this sauce. Let's get shit on. It's valid. It's really good. I don't know what people be talking about. We like Raisin Bran is nasty. It's valid. I mean, it's a little pricey though. But other than that, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even need the honey mustard. Like, the Cajun sauce is doing it for me. Literally. It's busting. I'm about to choke. Alright, let me see what they bust. Yeah, they couldn't give me no butter to put on this shit. This is dry. It's that dry. But yeah, so I give them a 9.5. I ain't gonna lie. I like them. They good. I wish they had this in Atlanta. This shit better not make my stomach run. Yeah, that was good as fuck. That was good as fuck. How much I spent? Okay, so I got the 3 finger combo. That was $9.56. I mean $9.59. And the lemonade was extra 20 cents. So it ended up being $9.79. Tax was 81 cents. So it ended up being $10.60. And then my honey mustard ended up being 39 cents plus 3 cents for taxes, so 42 cents. So $11. Well, really it would have been just $10 now. So I don't need that honey mustard. The honey mustard was for my shit. Yeah, that food was good. They were really good. Yeah. So far, Houston, fuck your child, real bad.